Action. Hello, I'm Professor Rios. In this occasion, I'm going to show you a simple way to fix a vehicle remote control. Most of the time when the remote control fails, the battery is low, okay? So you have, that it doesn't work sometimes. But when you replace the battery and you realize that it's one of the buttons that is not working, this is what comes down to, okay? You see a little round yellow circle here, that's the cover. And below that, you have a plate. That is what actually makes the contact. You can hear that. That's what makes the contact. But this has to be held in place, okay? And this plastic is what held that in place, okay? So what we need to do is to glue the outside part of the plastic. You have to be quite precise, because if we glue the whole thing, it's not going to click anymore. And if it doesn't click anymore, we may as well throw $300, okay? So, let's position this again. It's in the center. Let's see. Oops, wow. That's of the size of that. So I have to be like very careful. I would rather glue in the outside. Let me hold this in the center so it won't go anywhere. I think I put too much, because it's in the center, but I think it would still click. Okay, we'll have to check.
You have to put it around, right?
Hmm?
Have to put it around.
No, in two places to hold it in place enough. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use this new light activated glue that is supposed to dry the glue right away.
Go get your tools, man. You got it?
No, from
Right here.
it's working. Wow, it's already hard, see? It works. Now I'm going to use a little bit more of glue on the side. That's it. Any more glue that I intend to use, and I will talking about intermittent failure. Should be fine. I don't hear clicky clicky.
Let me put put too much glue in there. Maybe.
Hurry up, delete the video.
Well, and that's how you fix a remote control. Thank you.